Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change refresh rate on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open settings menu on your device. Well, after that here you can select display option. And then in this section you can choose refresh rate. Again, then here you can select custom. And then you can change it from 60Hz to 90Hz like this. Okay, and then the refresh rate on your device is successfully changed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change refresh rate on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.